At Fairview Microwave, we understand that customers need products that can be shipped right away to address critical RF and microwave application needs. That's why we specialize in the rapid delivery of high-quality RF and microwave components to support our customers' urgent projects in industries spanning the globe, including military, medical, energy, R&D, government, and telecommunications. We accomplish this by maintaining a vast inventory of products that are in stock and available for same-day shipping. Our centrally located warehouses in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex house more than 40,000 components and assemblies. We provide same-day shipping on thousands of items, including RF amplifiers, adapters, connectors, limiters, oscillators, waveguide, terminations, and more. And we're always adding new products to our portfolio to support emerging technologies and applications. We also offer one of the largest inventories of RF cable assemblies available anywhere. If you can't find what you need off the shelf, we provide quick-turn custom cable assemblies that ship the same day they are ordered. With more than 30 years in the industry, we know that fulfilling your urgent requests is more than just giving you the products you need on time. It's providing the support you need to build success. So we provide expert technical support and 24/7 customer service to ensure you're supported throughout every stage of your project. Fairview Microwave, the right parts, right away.